Let's take a look at our ninth example. And we got y is equal to sine squared 5x minus 3x over cosine x. Well, remember what this means right here. This means sine 5x, all of it to the second power, minus 3x over cosine x. Now this fraction here, that's going to be the quotient rule. So our 3x is going to be our p, and our cosine x will be our q. So we need p prime for our formula. Derivative of 3x is 3, and we need q prime. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. Now our formula is p prime q minus p q prime over q squared. So for our derivative. Now here we got brackets to a power. This is a chain rule, general power rule. You got something to a power. Take a power, put it out in front. What's inside your brackets remains as is. Lower your power by 1, and then you multiply it times the derivative of what's inside a bracket, which is the sine 5x, minus p prime, which is 3, times q, which is cosine x, minus p, which was 3x, times q prime, which was negative sine x, all over q squared, which would be cosine squared. Let me double check that. 3 cosine minus 3x. Yep. Okay. So then I got 2 sine 5x. Now the derivative of sine 5x is cosine 5x. But we have to multiply it times the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. So we'll multiply it times the derivative of 5x. Now the reason we have to do this is, again, the chain rule. Because we have more than just a sine x. When you have more than a single x here, that's when you have to multiply it times the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. Minus 3 cosine x. Negative negative becomes positive. So it becomes 3x sine x over cosine squared. So I got 2 sine 5x cosine 5x, and derivative of 5x is 5, minus 3 cosine x plus 3x sine x over cosine squared. And last thing I'll do is 2 times 5 gives us 10. So we got 10 sine 5x times cosine 5x minus 3 cosine x plus 3x sine x over cosine squared x. And that's our derivative. Again, I didn't want you to do much simplifying here beyond, get rid of negative exponents and some very basic simplification. Be sure to read the instructions on the test.